Review of the BMW X2 2025 model year. Hello friends. Today we will talk with you about another excellent car. This car is a 2025 BMW X2 model. The BMW X2 is an absolute beast, combining style, power, and versatility. Its sleek design makes it stand out from the crowd. Step inside to find a luxurious interior packed with state-of-the-art features and unmatched comfort. Explore the range of options, features, and prices, and customize your own BMW X2 today. Let's go. The 2025 X2 from BMW is a more sporty, sleeker version of their usual subcompact SUV. It has a sloping roof that gives it a coupe look. It's like the X6 from 2008, which gave the square-roofed X5 a similar treatment. Last year, they completely redesigned the second-gen X2. It has two turbo four-bangers, 241 horsepower and 312 horsepower. Standard all-wheel drive is included. The X2 seems more aggressive than it actually is, and the top-end M35i is priced similarly to the driver-focused X3. But unlike other coupes, you don't lose much practicality with the style. Cargo space is about the same as the square X1, though rear passengers might lose a few inches in headroom. BMW was the first to come up with the idea of an SUV that looked like a coupe, and pretty much all the other car manufacturers have since done the same, coming out with their own versions like the Mercedes-Benz GLA and the Range Rover Evoque. Design. The X2's cutting-edge LED headlights and taillights, which are both illuminating and distinctive, are just the start. Whether you're parked or on the move, the X2's daytime running lights and position lights convey a sense of intention and sophistication. Illuminate the path ahead with LED headlights and taillights, creating a bright trail in your wake. The X2's 19-inch light alloy wheels combine style and functionality, providing a solid foundation from the very beginning. The X2's eye-catching front design is accentuated by the sporty, glossy grille. What's new for 2025? After a complete redesign last year, the BMW X2 is now out with just a few minor improvements. The standard features include heated front seats and a free trial of a Wi-Fi hotspot. Pricing and which one to buy. The BMW X2 2025 starts at around $43,000 and goes up to about $53,000 depending on what trim and options you choose. The base model, the xDrive 28i, comes with a bunch of standard features like 19-inch wheels, a big infotainment screen, LED lights, and even active blind spot detection. But if you want more power, there's the M35i version with 312 horsepower and even more aggressive styling. Personally, we like the xDrive 28i better. It has a more comfortable suspension and is still pretty responsive, making it a great daily driver. Plus, the less powerful engine was more than enough for us during testing and in real-world situations. Engine, transmission, and performance. The X2 xDrive 28i has a 2.0L inline-4 engine with a turbo that makes 241 HP. It's paired with a dual-clutch 7-speed automatic. The M35i xDrive is a sportier version with a turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 312 HP. There's a bit of a delay when you hit the gas, called turbo lag, in both engines. All-season tires come standard on both, but the M35i has bigger 20 wheels. Top speed is limited to around 130 mph with all seasons, but summer performance tires can get the M35i up to 155 mph. The cornering grip is good with all seasons on both, and steering is precise, but not super responsive. The xDrive 28i isn't as much fun to drive aggressively as the M35i, but it's more comfortable for day-to-day driving. 0 to 60 mph times. In our test drive, the X2 xDrive 28i hit 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, which was a bit slower than the X1 we compared it to, which did the same thing in 5.4 seconds. The X1 M35i we tested, though, was way faster, hitting 60 in 4.7 seconds. We'll update this post with the 60 mph time when we test the X2 M35i. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The X2 xDrive 28i is the most gas-sipping model, getting 24 miles per gallon, MPG, in the city, and 33 on the highway, according to the EPA. The M35i, which is the high-performance version, isn't far behind, only 1 mile per gallon worse in both cases. In our real-life 75 miles per hour MPH highway fuel economy test, the X2 xDrive 28i blew away its EPA rating, getting 35 miles to the gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The new X2's interior is pretty similar to the more angular X1, but with a bit less headroom and storage space. It's got a sleek, modern, tech-forward design with a floating center console between the front seats that houses the gear selector switch. There's a big cubby under the console for a small bag and a bin on the dashboard for your phone. Some models even have a wireless charging pad for your smartphone. The M35i has a sporty look with optional sport seats upholstered in leather or leather/suede combo. The rear seatbacks fold down in a 40-20-40 split for up to 51 cubes of cargo space. You can also get a remote start, heated seats, and heated steering wheel as options. Infotainment and connectivity. BMW Digital Premium fully connects your BMW with the digital world. Enjoy music, audiobooks, podcasts, and news, all via a smooth streaming 5G connection. Regular online updates keep your apps running perfectly. With just one subscription, you have access to all of BMW's digital services. Available subscription periods may differ by model. Each X2 comes equipped with BMW's expansive, curved display on the dashboard. The 10.3-inch portion of the display is dedicated to the instrument cluster, displaying speed and other driving-related information. A sister screen, measuring 10.7 inches, is positioned behind the shared glass, housing the infotainment controls. This system seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing wireless connectivity. The M35i xDrive model includes a wireless smartphone charger as standard, while the xDrive 28i can opt for it as an additional feature with the Convenience Equipment package. For those seeking a more immersive audio experience, the Premium Equipment package offers the option of a powerful Harman Kardon sound system. This system adds a punch to the X2's trunk, perfect for those who want to enjoy their music with extra depth. Safety and driver assistance features. A fundamental set of driver aid capabilities, including automatic emergency braking, is included as standard, and BMW provides additional technology for an additional fee. The essential safety features include standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning, optional adaptive cruise control with lane centering, warranty and maintenance coverage. When it comes to warranty coverage, the X2's warranty terms are average. BMW offers 3 years of complimentary maintenance, which is a nice bonus that Mercedes does not provide. If you intend to drive a lot, you might consider the Lexus NX or the Lincoln Corsair, both of which offer powertrain protection for an additional 2 years compared to the X2. The limited warranty covers the vehicle for 4 years or 50,000 miles. The powertrain warranty covers the vehicle for 4 years or 50,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is provided for 3 years or 36,000 miles. Friends, we tried to tell you thoroughly in our today's video. We believe that this knowledge will benefit you. What machine would you like our next video to be about? I will be glad if you mention the answer to this question in the feedback section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the world of technology and innovation. Please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.